You go again. Look, what about these toys? You want to play with these ones over here? Whoa, do you like that one? Go again. Maybe you should get closer. Can you get closer? Oh, there you go. Good boy. Yeah, stand up. Oliver, can you stand up? No? You be nice to your toys. You need to be nice to your toys, Oliver. Hit it again. Good boy. Oh, there you go. There's my big standing boy.